Shivoham. Hello all. I hope all of you are staying safe and taking precautions to avoid this pandemic. In this video, I'm going to tell you the secret of Simhadwara, main door. Generally, it's obvious that we humans used to face so many problems in life. Maybe career issues, health issues, something like that. The reason can be in the two ways. One is the astrological reason, another one is the Vastu reason. If the planets in your horoscope are malefic, the malefic planet dasha is going on, so then we should make some remedies and we will follow that one, so we can overcome the problems. The second reason is Vastu. If all the planet in the horoscope, if all the planets are in the good position, we are not having any issue with the planets and horoscope, and there is no problem in the dasha also. Still the problems exist, still the hurdles in the career growth exist, otherwise still the health is not good, then we have to check the Vastu of the house. If the Vastu of the house is not good, then also we will face the problems. So for everyone's life, horoscope 50% influence will be there, the rest of the 50% influence will be the Vastu. The basic concept of Vastu starts from the Simhadwara, in which house facing we should stay. Otherwise, which house facing is fetching for us. So for that one, we need to consider the first letter of our name. Suppose if your name is Maheshwar, then we should take the first letter, that is a Ma. So we have to take the Ma as a base, and we should find out the best suitable Simhadwara for you. In finding the Simhadwaras, whose names we should consider, whom we have to consider, that is one question. Suppose if we are going to find the best Simhadwara to any business enterprise, commercial complex, commercial places, otherwise production plant, that means factory, industry, something like that, we should consider the names of the proprietors. First of all, names of the proprietors, company name. Proprietors in the sense board of directors, otherwise the main who are in the key position. So we have to take those names, maybe proprietor name, otherwise the active partners names and the company name, and we can select the suitable Simhadwara for them, main door for them, for the particular body, for the maybe it's the office, otherwise commercial space, otherwise maybe anything like a factory or a shop, or anything like that, franchise like that. The second option is the house, that means where we stay, actually where our family stay. For that one, we need to consider the names of the couple. Both names are important, wife's name and husband name, both names are very important. We should take the both names, and for both names, which common main door is suitable for them, we have to find. Some people will only go with the husband's name only. That means they will avoid the wife's name and they will just simply go according with the husband's name only. But husband, as far as the house is concerned, if you say both husband and wife name is also very good. Say if the particular Simhadwara is suitable to husband only and not suitable to the wife, then what will happen? The husband will have the tremendous growth in his career, he will have the good financial benefits and all, but the wife is going to suffer with the illness, unhealthy issues, the problems with the in-laws. If she is a working employee, then she will also have the problems at the workplace. So for that one, our view is that for the house, both names should be considered, wife and husband. People used to get doubts like that if we are staying in a apartment, so should we consider our individual flats facing, otherwise the total apartments facing? Right. Suppose if you are staying in some 50 flats apartment or 300 flats apartment, whatever it may be, Vastu considers your individual flats facing only. Vastu has no concern with the main gate. So how you enter from the road, doesn't matter. It's only considers your individual flats facing only, how the flat is faced. Even for offices also. You maybe your shop, otherwise your office, your workplace, your workstations. Yeah, that particular body, that particular place might be in a big shopping complex. So the shopping complex facing might be different and your shop facing might be different. So we undertake only the particular facing of your shop. So we consider your individual shop or flat only in the whole complex. So many people say, sir, you are saying east facing. East facing is better for us. So east facing means when we enter into the house, should it be east? Otherwise, when we coming out of the house, should it be east? So that thing I am going to clarify that one. Whenever we say the lucky facing for you, suppose if we take east is the lucky facing for you. If I said to you, you should take that one like this. When you are going out, you will face the east. When you are coming into the house, you will see the west. That particular house we used to call as the east facing house. Now, how to take the Simhadwara? So as I said earlier that we consider the first letter of your name, your and your wife's name. So for that particular people, for that particular names, we will take the first letters and we will arrange in a particular way and we will accrue the best house facing for you. Most generally people will have that mostly two fetching facings, most two highly favorable places. One is the average place, another one is the negative place. So in Indian Varnamala, Indian languages, there is a Varnamala, Akshara Varnamala is there. From say A, I, I, U, Aru, Aru, like that, and Ka, Ka, Ga, another line in the Varnamala, Cha, Cha, that Varnamala, Ta, 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 Dhana, that Varnamala, that line, another Papa Bhama, Tata Dhana, Yara Lavase. All these are concerned. You might be very familiar with this particular Varnamala in your own language if you belong to India. Your letter, your name, the first letter in your name will be in this Varnamala only, in these letters only, from A to Kshatrajna last. So it won't be out of this particular Varnamala. So we take the first letter of your name and we will find where is that particular letter is existed here, in which line. Then we can find the particular facing. Here I have given the two words, the starting words in the Akshara Varnamala, that is a I, I Varg and Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha Varg. If the first letter of the name falls in any one of these words, then east facing is negative for them and most favorable facings are south and west and north is the average one. So east is not suitable for these two works. Next two works are Chacha Jajja, Tata Dhana. These two works people shouldn't stay in south facing. They should stay in the west or north facing. West and north facing are most favorable to them and south is a negative. East is the average one. That means not good, not bad is the east. Next two works are Tata Dadhana, Papa Babhama. These two works people, west is a negative one. They should not stay in the west facing house and most favorable direction are north and east, either north or east. Those two directions are very favorable to them and south is the average one. Next work is Yara Lava, Sesha, Saha, Kshatrajna. If anyone's name starting letter falls here in these work. North is unfavorable direction for them, and most favorable directions are east and south. That means they should stay in the east or south facing house only, and west one is the average. So by these slides, I hope you understood your favorable Simhadwara. So from now onwards, whenever you shift your residence, otherwise your commercial places, whatever it may be, so you keep all these points in your mind and act accordingly. To enter into your favorable facing, I'm sure that you will definitely invite the prosperity and comfort, happiness in your life, in your family. Shivoham. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu.